Start. Hunger is a subjective concept. Its definition varies from person to person depending upon perception and understanding of requirements and objectives of life. Availability of resources, socio-economic and cultural perspectives. Hunger exists when a person's body lacks required nutrients to grow and develop a productive, active, and healthy life. The term hunger includes malnutrition, famine, starvation, and appetite as well. Hunger also denotes the scarcity of food in a country. And in India, hunger is one of the crucial problems. Though it is always assumed that hunger stems from lack of food, it is not completely true as hunger can stem from food mismanagement and wastage as well. For example, while India produces enough food to feed its population, the country is also home to 25% of the world's hungry population. India ranked 103 among 119 countries in the Global Hunger Index under bracket 2018 bracket out rankings. The country's economic growth and the changing demographics are also transforming patterns of food demand. Therefore, a holistic approach to food security requires ensuring available, accessible, and nutritious food to eradicate hunger and malnutrition in India. Next para. It is a mission which aims at bringing together all stakeholders to communicate the importance of food security, nutrition, and inclusive, sustainable, and resilient agriculture, and to make the world free from hunger, malnutrition, and rural poverty. The Zero Hunger Challenge is guided by a set of core principles that are grounded in the Charter of the United Nations and the 2030 Agenda on Sustainable Development. India's food basket differs from region to region, which makes it difficult to fulfill the needs of population of every region through domestic production only. Secondly, inadequate warehousing facilities and cold storages is leading to wastage of about 7% of total annual food production and almost 30% of the fruits and vegetables. According to the estimation of National Center for Cold Chain Development under bracket NCCD bracket out, the country has only 15% of the required temperature control transportation facilities and less than 1% of warehouse facilities dedicated for transporting preconditioned agricultural produce. Next para. Moreover, lack of large-scale commercial farms and low levels of land consolidation among small farm holders leads to mismanagement in agri-production. This has also further aggravated the cycle of rural poverty, which in turn has created a poverty situation in the country where small farmers have a reduced capacity to produce food as most of them cannot afford seeds, fertilizers, and modern technologies like pump irrigation, harvester machines, tractors, etc. The problem of food waste is intensified because of the lack of regulation around industry standards and policies. Increased attraction to stock discounted products also leads to food wastage which further serve as reason for food shortage. Man-made causes such as increased deposits of industrial effluent, unscientific farming and flow of chemical fertilizer into water bodies led to water pollution. Land degradation due to increased human activities has impacted negatively on agricultural production. Next para. There is a growing need for the design and development of more efficient integrated systems of food production, processing, preservation, and distribution that can feed the changing food requirements of the nation. Systems of cold chains which are integrated with agriculture markets should be developed to reduce post harvest losses and to allow farmers to earn more by tapping into remunerative markets while maintaining the quality of their produce. Resilient transportation infrastructure should be established to allow transportation of food from food surplus to food deficit areas. Activities such as upgradation of rural infrastructure, training of farmers in post harvest practices to minimize losses, integrating small scale enterprises into value chains, organizing smallholders farmers into farmer producer organizations, customized financial services, investment in agricultural research, and last mile marketing channels should also come into action. Full stop. Thank you.